Rounding of a number to the nearest to 100. So to round off any number to the nearest to 100, the first step is we need to observe or we need to see the digit at tens place. First, in any given number, digit at tens place. So depending on this digit at tens place, we need to round up the number nearest to the 100. Right? So we have the two rules. Let us take A and B. First one is if the digit at tens place is less than 5. If the digit at tens place is less than 5, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And digit at tens place is one more option is, okay, this is the more than 4. More than 4 means only 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, number of digits are 10. Less than 5 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Depending on this, we can round up the nearest to 100. Let us take one example. Okay, take one example 549. To make this rounding off to the number nearest to 100, as the rule, digit at tens place. Tens place is 4. If it is a tens place is 4, then write the remaining number as it is. Tens place and hundreds place, you just keep the zeros. If the number is tens place, if it is less than 5, then tens place digit and ones place digit replaced by 0. Okay, if it is less than 5, just tens and ones digits replaced by 0. Replaced by zeros. This rule you can apply to rounding up the number nearest to 100. Let us take one more. For example, same any number 13,624. Right? This is the number. So to make it to round off the nearest to 100, observe the tens place. Tens place is 2. So remaining numbers are these 1, 3, 6 as it is, and tens place and ones place is replaced by 0. So 13,624 is 13,600. Okay, if it is at up to 49, because next 50 will come, no? Yes, less than 5, just replace tens and units place by 0. This is one rule. And if the tens place digit is more than 4, that means either 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 among this. How to do? 564, okay, is the example. So if you observe here, tens place is 6, that is more than 4. In that case, increase hundreds place by 1. Increase by 1 hundreds place. Okay. So hundreds place we need to increase by 1. So previous it is a 5. So we can make it as 6. And same tens and units place replaced by 0. So 564 is nearest to 100 is 600. Okay, when you are just reading also you can come to know 564. Next number is 600 nearest to the 100. So just if it is more than 4, either 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, increase one number by in hundreds place and replace the tens and units place with zeros. You can see the examples. Same 24,000 or 2,486. Okay, in this number, tens place is 8. So we need to increase one number in the hundreds place. So 2, 5. 8, 6 places replace with 0. So 2486 is 2500. Right? And one more example. In case if it is a 2986, see what will happen. Same units tens place is 8, but you need to increase this. Previous is a 29, so if you increase it become 30. Actually 9 if you increase 1 is 10, so 1 should carry over. So 29 is indirectly 30, that means previous is 24 it became as like 25, right? So 29 is next to 30. So in the place of 8 and 6, in the place of units and tens place, replace with 0. So 2000 or 2986 is 3000 or 3000. Okay, this is the rounding of the number to the nearest to 100. Same rule you can apply throughout any number. Observe the tens place. If it is less than 5, just directly replace tens and units place by zeros. If it is more than 4, increase the hundreds place by 1. Then again remain zeros at units and tens place. Remaining zeros at units and tens place is common. That you remember. Right. Now let us see how to rounding off a number to the 100 is over, no? Rounding off number to the nearest to 1000.